it's your girl Natasha, your flight attendant's favorite flight attendant, and I'm back with another video. So today, as you know, I'm about to leave for training. So I just wanted to quickly come on here and show you guys exactly what I'm bringing to training. So training is 6.5 weeks long, so we could bring a couple of bags. So I'm just going to show you guys what I brought. This is not what a regular passenger would bring as far as checked luggage. Like, the weight restriction is completely different, and how many bags we can have is completely different from the average person. So please do not take this as that. This is strictly for people who are going to training. All right, so let's get right into the video. All right, so this is one of the bags I have. This is a medium-sized bag, and then here in the back I have a larger bag. So I'm only taking 2 bags, and I'm not taking a carry-on. I'm only taking a personal item. So last night I realized, I was like, well, we get luggage while we're in training, so why bring a carry-on luggage and stuff like that when I'm gonna get it in training? So I figured I'll just take 2 checked baggage and then just bring my personal my purse, and then that, of course, I'll be able to carry with all the extra things that we get during training, because those are the things we're gonna need when we're traveling. So yeah, I figured this would just be the smartest way of going about it. But anyways, so yeah, so I have 2 large checked luggage, and then I only have my purse. So my purse, we can do that another day, but for today we're only gonna do what's in my luggage, my check bag. One thing I did want to specify is I love how they have 4 rollers. It's going to be extremely easy to roll it into the airport versus having to lug both of them behind your back. So my bag may look a little messy, but you also have to realize is that I don't have anything to kind of strap everything down. So when I pick the bags up, everything just kind of gets all rambled and stuff. So I mean, it is what it is. It's real life. So to start off, I brought, of course, glasses, contacts case, that whole thing. So I brought an ample amount of like panties and bras and stuff, as you can see up here in this area right here. So I brought my sweat belt for while I'm in training to work out. I brought some powder, of course, a little bit of perfume. And then here is like my little bag of like lotions. A little bit of medication is in here. Hair products, lip products, eyeliner, lip gloss, and a little bit of bubble gum. So, oh, and hand sanitizer. So that's what's all in this bag. And then I have some more deodorant. This needs to go into my toiletry bag. So I'm bringing my heels, of course. I am going to bring an umbrella only because, you know, you just never know when it's going to be raining and stuff. A watch that's not a smart watch, so I had to go get one because I no longer have at least a working one. So the other one that I had for my other training, it stopped working, so therefore I didn't have any other watches besides my smartwatch, so I had to go pick up one. I got this one from TJ Maxx for like $24. So yeah, but Steinmart, if you go to Steinmart, they have watches for $20, and you can get more than what I got. I just got like a regular watch. They have like watches with like other little things that come along with it for $20. So you can get more for your money at Steinmart. I do have like a journal. I write like a bunch of ideas, like YouTube ideas, business ideas, just all kind of ideas. Anything that comes to mind, I go ahead and write it down. Just keep it for later. Do have a piece of a bathing suit here for when I like go swimming or something like that, if I decide to during training. So like I said, I have like a bunch of different like clothes and stuff, like workout clothes, lounge clothes, things like that. I'm not gonna bring out all of those clothes. I do have my house slippers. Y'all know I'm good for these right here to walk around in. Bring in some more like lounge shoes, I guess. They're so comfortable. Socks to like kind of sleep in, but not really. I always kick them off in the middle of the night. My flip-flops, like I told you guys, I don't get into the showers without flip-flops. Bringing a comb, of course, since I am going to be natural throughout training. I do have a couple of teas here, and I only have these because one of the hotels that I just recently went to, they had these like out. So I just took like one of each just to like try them out. So yeah, I'm just gonna take these with me to training so that I can have some sort of tea or something to kind of to drink on while I'm there. All right, so that's all for this suitcase. So now let's get to the big boy. So here is my second suitcase. So as you can see, I have like my panties and bras up here. I did can't keep it up. So I have, of course, my toiletry bag. That'll be a video for another day. I have my makeup bag, of course. I am bringing Tupperware. I know you're probably like, girl, what are you doing? All right, so let me explain. So I know that they give us a bunch of food throughout training. So at least for like lunchtime, like they feed us every single day while we're at the training center. So while we're there, since they give us so much food, we can take food home. So I'm just going to put food in here, and then that'll be my dinner. My biggest thing is while you're in training, you literally don't get much money at all, if any. So another way to kind of help eliminate expenses is to just eat whatever, take some of the food that they gave you for lunch, and then just eat that for dinner, and then just make sure you eat breakfast at the hotel. So that eliminates my at least meals for the days that I have training, and then I just make sure I have food, of course, for those few days off that we get while we're in training. I'm bringing, of course, like my headscarf, shower cap. So for when we wash clothes, I brought some dry sheets, and I also brought some pods, of course. So that's another expense I can kind of eliminate because I already have a bunch of them here at home, so why not bring them with me? So since it is going to be in Houston as far as training, I made sure I brought medication. So I have some Zyrtec, and then I also have some Benadryl. So one is good for throughout the day, and then the other one, I got one, make me go to sleep at night if need be, you know, if I'm just that congested. So I know like the pollen and stuff can get really crazy down in Houston, well, down south, period. So just to eliminate any of those issues, I just make sure I brought some sort of medication just in case. It's more of my Tupperware. So I did bring a pair of tennis shoes for working out. I brought boots. I don't know. I just brought boots. I brought a pair of like going out heels just in case we do go out. Because I know in my other training with Sky West, we actually went out. So who knows. And then here I just have a couple of hair products. I do have my handy dandy lotion. Y'all know I swear by this lotion. So I do have this. This is the Ultimate Growth Serum by Camille Rose. So I have that with me. I do have a cleansing rinse, Sweet Ginger by Camille Rose as well. So I also have in my bag some Eco Styling Gel. It's the black castor oil one. So I found one for maybe like, I think $1 or $2 at the dollar store. So I brought a tub of that or whatever to kind of keep my hair intact, lay my edges down, stuff like that. It won't come out of the bag. I do have the bag kind of sealed so that stuff just doesn't get like everywhere if anything were to like burst open. I do have some makeup wipes, of course. And then, of course, I have my work flats, but I'll be taking these with me, of course, on the plane, so they're not in the actual bag. That'll be everything that I bring. Trying to keep things to a minimum. Yeah, guys, that is about it. I hope this video was helpful in any form or fashion. I just want to come on here really quickly and kind of show you some of the things that I'm bringing to training. You guys already know some of the basic stuff, like for business clothes, casual clothes, and like semi-casual and all like that. So I do have a variety of all those things, but I'm not just gonna take out all of the clothes. Like, there's no point. You already know what those styles are. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.